Now we need to disconnect this electric connector, O-ring, bit more gas acceleration. You can see little bit acceleration, and I'm going to hold. Welcome to the channel. This is Peugeot 308 2015 model, mileage 74,000. I'm going to change the fuel filter, and I'll show you how we're going to change fuel filter Peugeot 308. Let's go to the job. Underneath this cover, fuel filter located, need to lift, and here, lift. Right. This is the fuel filter. We need to remove 10 mil 2 screws there, and I'm going to show you how we're going to change. One nut here, one nut there, and another one here, all 10 mil. Now we need to disconnect this electric connector. Pull brown clip, then after that lift up from the front, wiggle and remove it. Next step, what we have to do, we have to remove these two lines. You can see outer plastic bit, you can lift up very gently. After that you have to press inner one in and pull the line very gently. Same thing you have to do to the other one. Inner bits, this one need to out and press in, then you can remove the line. When you do it, very gently do it, because this plastic very delicate. I'm going to do it now. If you want, put something underneath, because fuel sometime come out. Right, lift up outer, press in, then remove the line behind. Right, it's out now. Remove this plastic clip here. Lift up and remove it and leave it out of the way. Same thing to the other line. Press in and pull. Remove line here. Take a much space. Right, now I think I can remove this line, because bit hard, it's stuck here. I'm going to remove this inside two. No, however, I'm going to remove this one. Right, leave out of the way, both line out. Now I'm going to remove this 8 mil here and lift up the whole connector. Another one inside. Right. Actually, I don't want to remove the housing, but because this pipe stuck, that's why I remove the pump. Now it's out, and again I'm going to this one, leave it out of the way now, and I'm going to tight screw. Then when it's in, it's very easy. Right. Now need a 24 mil socket and remove anti-clockwise. Right. Now it's open. Right. Now we can remove the filter. It's little bit dirty filter. I feeling they didn't change long time. However, we are going to change. Compare with the new one and old one. Just install like this, and after that need to remove this o-ring. Install o-ring, leave it as it is. After that, make sure clean inside. And one more thing I have noticed, the this filter doesn't have a cap like that, but this one has a cap, and the o-ring it's going to sit onto the bottom. Yeah, see, nice and tight. Could be that's a problem for the non-start or lating start. I'm going to install this one, and before we install this filter, make sure fill up with the new diesel, otherwise it suck air and you ending with starting problem again. I'm going to fill new diesel. Right, it's filled up with the diesel. Now I'm going to install this filter first. After that I'm going to install this cap. You can see this lock need to come here and stop. See, it's touch each other. Now it's fine. Now try to install this thing. We'll see how it's working. Right. Now, again I need to remove the housing because this one stuck with this green pipe. Right, you can hear click. After that, press in this bit, then I'm going to install housing again. Now electrical connector connect, it's locked. Then after that, this two line, green one going to the green, press in this one, then white one going to the white, and make sure it's click in. Right, it's in. Right, all whatever remove it's in, put it to the connector, lock the connector. Now we need to clean this area with brake cleaner. Engine bay all done. I'm not going to fix this metal top. I'm going to leave it as it is because I want to check any leakings around this area. Once we start, I'm going to leave it everything as it is and going to start the car. When you change the fuel filter, don't going to start the car straight. First ignition on, leave it couple of seconds until light going off, then again switch off, switch on, leave it couple of seconds. This one do 3-4 times. Once it complete, press your clutch and give slightly gas, not fully down, just slightly, and switch off and start. Once it start, give bit more gas acceleration. You can see little bit acceleration, and I'm going to hold couple of maybe 10 seconds. Right, now I'm going to release slowly gas pedal. Right, now it's idle fine. Then I'm going to the engine bay. Make sure no leaking surround this area, all nice and dry. Make sure that this hose not leaking, nice and dry. That's mean all fine. I'm going to leave it idle like a 5 minute, 10 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to check any problem there. Same time, I'm going to install this housing and this cover. I left it running around 5 minutes. Now I'm going to switch off and try to start and have a look what happened to the beginning problem. It's starting fine. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanumotors. See you with another video.